Nothing ruins a drive like a silent radio in your Tesla Model 3. A lot of Tesla Model 3 owners notice their radio suddenly stops working. Maybe you have no sound, stations don't load, or the whole screen freezes. So, what's going on? First, it could be a simple software glitch. Teslas are basically rolling computers, and sometimes they just need a quick reset. Try holding down both scroll wheels on your steering wheel until the screen goes black and restarts. This fixes most issues. If your radio still won't work, check your internet connection. Streaming radio needs a good signal. If you're in a dead zone or have a weak Wi-Fi connection, the radio might not load at all. Still no luck? Make sure your car's software is up to date. Tesla regularly sends out updates to fix bugs, including radio problems. And in rare cases, there could be a hardware issue, like a blown speaker or a faulty chip. If nothing else works, it's time to book a service appointment. So, before you panic, try these easy steps. There's a good chance you'll be back to singing along in no time.